Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. Today I will guide you through the process of duplicating a Trello board. So let's get started. Open Trello and navigate to the board you want to duplicate. Once inside the board, click here to open the board menu. Now choose Copy Board, then a dialog box will appear, allowing you to customize the settings for the new copied board, including the board's name and where you want to copy it. Once you have adjusted the settings, click Create. The duplicate board will appear as a new board in your account, containing an exact duplicate of the original board, including cards, list, and settings. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.